Thank you for joining in, and I have a quick comparison here today. So up top here I have the eye crayon, the water soluble pastels, watercolor crayons, and then these down here are the Caran d'Ache ones, the Neo Color 2. And right here on the side I picked out like the closest color matches here. So then we're going to see the difference. Sometimes it is hard to tell. This one, I don't have a purple in that Caran d'Ache one. That's why I pulled that one to the side. This color is this one right here, which it actually says purple on this one. Now that it's wet, I'm thinking it's a lot closer to the Caran d'Ache one here. This also says purple. Let's see, I'm gonna squeeze this one in up top here. Put that down here. Yes, that is really close. Here we go. This one is a little bit deeper. Next up here we have that lighter pink. Yeah. The eye crayon ones are nice, but the Caran ones are definitely a bit more pigmented. That more peachy color. Next up we have the bright yellow. Oop. That's really close. I wonder if this one's close enough. Yep, it's a bit lighter. Yeah, and these are still wet, but you can get a better idea. As far as the colors are concerned, they are definitely, you know, really close and similar there. But as I mentioned before, the Caron ones are definitely a bit more opaque than some of the other ones up top here. And this little color over here, they were definitely two different colors, so I wouldn't count that one. I'm going to go ahead and swatch out some of the remaining colors and see what's close, so then we could see the rest of them here. Overall, I think that both sets are very nice. These up top here, I did get them from TikTok, but they actually only have them on Amazon now, if anybody was curious, the eye crayon ones. They are definitely a lot cheaper than the Caran d'Ache ones, but these are definitely a little bit higher quality, I would say. But again, if you're just starting out and you wanted to try something new, a little bit more details on top of your watercolors, or I would recommend either one of these for small artwork in your sketchbooks and stuff like that. I wouldn't recommend them for large pieces of artwork, because you're gonna go right through the pencils or the little crayons too quickly. And these are I got mine open stock individually through Jackson's Art, but they do have sets of both brands here. But like I said, these are definitely a bit more expensive than the eye crayon ones. Also, this set up here, these were the basic colors in the eye crayon, and they also have a more muted tone set, and I think it was called the European set. Yeah, this one was classic, and the other one was the European colors. I will leave links down below to different sets. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and hope you enjoy this little quick comparison. So overall, just one little last look here. These ones blend out a little bit better, but there's definitely similarities between the colors and the packaging here. I'm going to leave some shopping links down below for anybody who's interested. And be sure to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.